Hey guys, welcome back. So these are some of the ingredients you're going to need. And today's video, I'm just showing you guys my hacks for box brownie mix, and they're gonna be so yummy. So I'm starting off with olive oil, and I'm just gonna grease the pan. So the pan size I'm using is an 8x8 because I feel like it yields the best results for fudgy thick brownies. Also, you're going to want to take this time to preheat your oven to 350. Now, I have a medium-sized bowl here, and I'm just going to be cracking 2 eggs open. I'm also going to be adding in 2 tablespoons of vanilla extract. Now, instead of vegetable oil, like most boxes called for, we're going to be adding in a half a cup of coconut oil, and I tried to make sure it's nice and stuffed and packed in there before adding to the bowl. I would love to know in the comments below if box mix hacks are something you guys are interested in and want to see more of. Now that the coconut oil is in, you just want to mix it very well. It's still going to be a little bit clumpy, and that's okay. Now I'm just adding in 1/4 of coconut milk, and I'm just going to whisk that in as well. Now I'm just going to add in the brownie mix and make sure that's all mixed in well. I had to go and get a spoon because that whisk was not working for me, guys. Honestly, I don't know why I didn't just get a metal whisk, because the spoon was even a little bit challenging for me to stir that with one hand. So the brownie batter is going to be really thick, and that's what you want. Now I'm just going to be taking the 8x8 grease pan that we set aside and pour the brownie mix into the pan. What you're going to want to do, because the brownie batter is so thick, you're going to have to spread it into the corners and make sure it's evenly spread over the pan. Now, if you want it, after spreading, you can stop here and stick it in the oven. But if you want to take your brownies a step further, then we're going to be adding some chocolate on top. I have 1/3 cup of dark chocolate chips, and I'm just going to sprinkle that all over. Now we're also going to be taking 1/3 of milk chocolate chips and sprinkling those on top as well. And now, because these are smaller, they fill in all the gaps perfectly. If this is too much chocolate on top for you, then scale it down to your preference, or you can even add more. Now we're going to be placing our brownie mix into the oven for about 30 to 34 minutes. Once your time is up, you're going to want to take the brownies out of the oven and place them off to the side to cool. Make sure the pan is completely cooled to touch before cutting, roughly about an hour. This is what your end result should look like after the brownies have completely cooled. And I wanted to apologize for the lighting here. We're using the lights in a different project that we have coming up. I can't wait to share that with you guys. But anyway, we're just going to be cutting these up to your desired size, and it's a little bit hard for me to cut them with one hand, and I was holding the camera in the other hand here. So when cutting, you may find that the top is a little bit crispy, but don't worry, it's just that top layer, and once you cut through, it's going to cut like butter. Now, I wanted to show you guys me removing from the pan, but clearly that was a fail. Once you have all the brownies removed from the pan, this is what they should look like. They're nice and thick and super fudgy. They're so soft, and the chocolate on top is still just, nice and melted. If you guys give this recipe a try, we would love to know. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. comment, share, subscribe so you don't miss out on any future videos. And until next time, bye!